The most popular poutine options here at the Hop Spot are the classic and the dirty plate. It's kind of like high-class comfort food, to me.
So we're gonna make our classic poutine and our dirty plate. Definitely our most two popular, the classic being the most popular because it's just regular old poutine, with the dirty plate being a close second. So we start by just dropping our French fries in our hot grease and letting them cook. About 2.5 minutes. So once the French fries are cooked, we let them drain off for a second. Throw them into a bowl and toss them with a little kosher salt. And then for the classic poutine, we just plate up the fries, add cheese curds, and our classic gravy. That's it. For the dirty plate, cheese curds, jalapenos, chopped dill pickles, beer battered chicken tenders, and top it with our chipotle ranch. I don't know, I think what's not to love about gravy and cheese curds and French fries?
For National Poutine Day, we're doing half price off all poutines. Because we're a poutinery. That's what we specialize in, that's what we're known for, and that's what the Hop Spot is.